Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the word for a young termite? Is it A, an owlet, B, an elver, C, a larva, or D, a kitten? The answer is C, a larva.
Termite larvae, the tiny architects of destruction, are born blind and wingless. These little critters are nurtured in the dark confines of their colonies, where they undergo several molts before maturing. Despite their humble beginnings, termite larvae eventually become part of a highly organized society capable of toppling entire wooden structures.
Question 2. On the Internet, what file extension is used for the content of web pages? Is it A, .php, B, .css, C, .html, or D, .js? The answer is C, .html.
The .html file extension stands for Hypertext Markup Language, the backbone of web pages. Invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991, HTML revolutionized information sharing. It allows text to be linked across the globe, creating a web of interconnected documents and giving birth to the World Wide Web as we know it today.
Question 3. What is the name used for the group of muscles around the buttocks? Is it A, gluteal, B, abdominal, C, bicep, or D, pectoral? The answer is A, gluteal.
The gluteal muscles, often called the glutes, are not just for sitting pretty. They play a crucial role in movement and stability, powering activities like walking, running, and jumping. Interestingly, they are among the strongest muscles in the human body and contribute significantly to our upright posture.
Question 4. What is the word for a group of lions? Is it A, pride, B, a clouder, C, a muster, or D, a shrewdness? The answer is A, a pride.
A group of lions is called a pride, and it's one of the few social structures in the big cat world. Prides can consist of up to 40 lions, including females, their cubs, and a few males. This social setup allows them to hunt cooperatively and protect their territory more effectively.
Question 5. What is the name of the largest species of sharks, which can reach lengths of up to 40 feet? Is it A, whale shark, B, tiger shark, C, hammerhead shark, or D, great white shark? The answer is A, whale shark.
The whale shark, the ocean's gentle giant, can grow up to 40 feet long and weigh as much as 20.6 metric tons. Despite their massive size, these filter-feeding behemoths dine primarily on plankton and small fish. Each whale shark has a unique pattern of spots, akin to a human fingerprint.
Question 6. What is the common name for sodium hydroxide? Is it A, caustic soda, B, dolomite, C, quartz, or D, heavy water? The answer is A, caustic soda.
Caustic soda, or sodium hydroxide, is a powerful alkali used in soap making and unclogging drains. Its ability to break down organic matter makes it invaluable in cleaning products. Interestingly, it's also used in the food industry to peel fruits and vegetables and even give pretzels their distinctive texture.
Question 7. What is the medical term for the eye condition marked by redness, excessive tearing, and itching? Is it A. glaucoma, B. conjunctivitis, C. cataracts, or D. myopia? The answer is B. conjunctivitis.
Conjunctivitis, commonly known as pink eye, can be caused by bacteria, viruses, allergens, or irritants. Interestingly, it's highly contagious and can spread rapidly in schools and daycare centers. In ancient times, people believed it was a curse from the gods due to its sudden onset and striking appearance.
Question 8. Which part of a cat's eye reflects light? Is it A. Lerbos, B. photerium, C. cornea, or D. tapetum lucidum? The answer is D. tapetum lucidum.
The tapetum lucidum, a mirror-like layer behind a cat's retina, is what gives their eyes that eerie glow in the dark. This biological reflector bounces light back through the retina, enhancing night vision and making cats formidable nocturnal hunters. It's like having built-in night vision goggles.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember, in the universe of knowledge, curiosity is your gravitational pull. Until next time, keep orbiting around those fascinating facts. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, farewell. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.